The Women's Hospital of Texas in Houston is a complex, multi-phase project. The scope of work included substantial interior renovation, demolition of an existing parking structure, and construction of a new 9-story, 732,500 square foot precast parking garage for over 2,000 vehicles. DPR Construction teamed up with Legacy Precast to finalize the precast concrete scope of work and reduce costs where possible. The precast specialty engineer was Salmons Engineering, and the project architect was Earl Swenson and Associates. At 3 bays wide, the 9-level structure stands 105 feet tall and includes 611,000 square feet of suspended double T's. At over 437 feet in length, the project included 1 expansion joint and 2 elevator banks. The garage also features C-shaped spandrels with 4-inch form projections and cast-in thin brick veneer, as well as post-applied architectural screens on various parts of the project. Architectural finishes include cast-in thin brick and architectural concrete mix design with a medium sandblast finish. In all, 1,688 pieces of precast pre-stressed concrete were delivered and erected ahead of schedule and within budget. Shortly after design development in 2019, precast pieces started being produced. In early 2020, at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, manufacturing continued at the owner's request. Then, in May of 2020, with 600 pieces of concrete produced, the owner stopped all construction nationwide to redirect all available funds to doctors, nurses, and equipment at their facilities. After a 7-month delay, the precaster was able to resume manufacturing and still meet the new schedule. By utilizing precast concrete, this team was able to control costs and maintain the architectural design intent, while meeting the aggressive schedule for installation during the stop-and-go chaos of the recent pandemic.